First time ko makapasok dito sa ano mo.
Please, Pieron is on the island.
Nice. Ayos. Abaw, space din pala to. Pag hangin na hangin.
Talaga yun, parang pag walang laman ng pitaka mo, one space apart.
One space apart.
Dapat, ano pa yun, yung plastic.
Oh, lagyan lang ng plastic lang.
Plastic ba? Kasi
Nala
at
ko
least
isa.
makikita, ha?
Plastic, no? Para makita yung araw.
Oo.
Grabe. Pinik na unit yung bahay mo, ano ah. Kiloy. Ba dito, butas. Walang mainit dito, free aircon to. Free aircon.
Wala ka pang...
Pati ba sa taas, oh? Ayos.
Buti nga may ano eh.
Galing. Gitara ka, Kiloy. Pakita mo yung the best gitara mong ano. Wait lang, naipasok ko yung ako, sorry.
May tatlot kalahati akong kanta eh. Tatlot kalahati. Ang sawa na nga ako. Ayun o, may guitarist din kami oh. Higa lang sa likod. Si Giselle.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm here at Lolo's place, which really I had an adventure today.
Yeah.
Unexpected.
I'm walking on one piece of bamboo without nothing beside.
I didn't tell you.
Oh my goodness!
What you
But that was really great. That's Loloy.
Sometimes you walk in only one stick bamboo. And we thank God we survive. Then I pray don't take us home, 'cause we are here for reasons. Sometimes my tears are drowned.
Yeah.
But I never let it get me down. Madam, don't cry. So when negativity's around, I know someday it will all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the
Grabe,
people
goosebumps ako kayo eh.
say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day. One day, yeah. One day, one day. One day, yeah, yeah.
Bravo!
Thank you.
Grabe. More pa. Grabe
Ladies,
naman.
I will change. Treat people the
See you at the
same.
bar.
Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day it will be free, and I'm proud to be under the same sun, singing some freedom. Ano lang, half-half. Welcome back next year. Thank you.
Wow, grabe Kiloy. Lupit.
Isa lang, baka hindi mo na ako balikan. Isawa ka na sa akin, naubos ko na yung burit ko. Marami pa akong burit.
Nice, grabe.